Guys, I fear I'm so type B that I got home from Stagecoach 3, maybe 4 days ago, and I still have not unpacked. I don't know about you guys, but that just sits there. And I live like that on an everyday basis and just keep it there because I've run out of room. The condition of my room right now honestly has a little bit of an organization to it. It's still pretty bad. But hey guys, I've literally been gone all of April, so not only have I not unpacked from Stagecoach, I also probably haven't unpacked from the trip before the last, and that was like beginning of April, and you're gonna see this in May. And like props to the people that unpack like day of, like the second they get home, but I just am not like that. And in today's video, I'm in desperate need for a reset and an Alani because if I don't have some caffeine running through my system while cleaning, I don't think anything's gonna be happening. So yeah, baby, I think it's a new flavor. Yup, sherbet swirl. I crack one open. I give it like a 7. It will do. Cheers. 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 First things first, I need to unpack my luggage and also just like clean my room. That'd probably be good too. Third things third, I need to make a bunch of returns at the mall from the outfits I didn't end up wearing at Stagecoach. Maybe get a nice little workout in. And lastly, I have some plans tonight. I'm gonna go golfing with my friend. I'll bring you guys along for that too. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. Bye! What the hell? Guys, I don't think you understand how hard it is for me to like get the motivation to clean sometimes. Like, I want to cry. Every location for my camera, there's never just like not gonna be a mess. Sorry, I have to look at that. I'm really just exposing myself right now. I'm working on it, guys. I think I've decided that I'm just gonna start packing up things in these bags because I need these clothes out of my vision. Otherwise, it's gonna drive me more crazy than it already is. So this is the start of packing. In case you didn't know, my family's moving this month. Not to a different state. I'm still staying in Washington. It's just gonna be a house that will have more closet space for me. So stay tuned for that moving content. Guys, these bags low-key fit a lot of stuff. Turn on this AC. Give it a sec. I am about to go to the mall and I just ate the most rock solid pizza I've actually ever eaten in my life. Like my jaw kind of hurts right now. I got my bag full of returns and God knows how good that is going to feel when I get all the money back. But I also made myself a quick little protein shake to go with my pizza because I need to get my protein in. And my favorite way to get protein in is the Ritual protein powder. And yes, I bring it with me everywhere I go. What about it? Ritual's Essential Protein Powder 18+ is a traceable, clean, plant-based protein with 20 grams of protein per serving. And each serving size is about 1/3 cup or 5 tablespoons. And only for 120 calories. It helps grow lean muscle and support muscle recovery after your workout. And right now I am so sore from leg day 2 days ago, so I need this. This is a strawberry one and it's not looking very strawberry, but let me just tell you, this is the best plant-based protein powder I have tried. Whether I'm drinking this after a workout or just on the go like I am now, genuinely I crave this. My number one thing with protein powders is I don't like the taste of like whey. Literally I have this like once a day. It is also soy-free, gluten-free, and vegan friendly. So you're getting a lot for your buck because right now Ritual's having a Mother's Day sale and you can get this protein powder for $26.40 and it's originally $44. This protein powder is also formulated with no GMOs and no sugar additives that are like artificial. You're getting a 0 sugar beverage. So I don't know what you're doing right now. Why aren't you running? It tastes like a happy day. I'm almost done with it. Holy cow. Anyways, I'm gonna head to the mall now. Thank you so much, Ritual, for sponsoring this video. I'll probably make another one when I get home. Not even lying. Let's go get some money back, girls. Just scan my QR code or click the link in my description to get 40% off your entire order. You do not want to miss one of Ritual's best sales of the year. Hi, vlog. It's Brinley. She's been so long. She's been so long, guys. It's been so long. I'm so empty. I'm like
gas at the worst gas station.
Yeah, this is the worst gas station, guys. But you gotta do what you gotta do.
Thing actually, like, it doesn't even go in there. You like have to.
You have to literally hold it and pump it yourself. Really, I'm like below empty. Been empty for like 2 days. Debit. Stop. It's been so damn.
I would like to just like set it in there and run to get my drink. And is there no tap?
Well, there is a tap, but it clearly ain't working. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's leaky. Hey guys, we're at the coffee shop right now, and if you've been here for a while, you know this is the OG spot. I haven't been in here in a minute. We're gonna make myself a lotus. Today's flavor, I may be thinking like a pomegranate. See you now.
Put the lotus in first though.
Over here, guys.
Yeah.
Ooh, guava. That's right.
This is so not going in the vlog.
Mmm.
Perfect. Look at the little swirl.
Now that looks scrumptious.
And even a pink straw.
3, 2, 1. Taste test. This is the second energy drink of the day. Mmm, that's good.
Cheers. Boomerang.
I just got home and I made myself a little snack before golfing with Chloe. This is cottage cheese toast with like literally just salt on it, and I'm starved, so cheers. Homemade sourdough, by the way. And I made myself a little protein shake.
Hopefully this is a good angle, I can't tell you. They're not playing good today.
Here we go. I just look like I took a shower times a million. Wow, I love hot Pilates. If you haven't tried it, I don't know what you're doing. It is so freaking good. True Fusion in Seattle gets me every single time. I literally am still dripping sweat. Pushing through right now. I look and feel so disgusting, but the free people worker was so nice and said I looked tan, and we had a great conversation. Guys, I can't take the mess anymore. Literally everywhere I turn in my room, there's a new mess. Like, I can't. We have a little haul. I thought I would include another PR haul in a vlog because I just unboxed like all my PR, but this has just come all in the span of 2 weeks. So we're gonna open this, and I hope you guys like this little mic'd up vibe because I think it's really crispy and nice. And I'm literally itching to unpackage these, as you can see. So I started opening this one, and then I was like, you know what? Let me just film. This first one is from Elysian Swim. Oh yeah, okay. I'm like obsessed with purple right now. They sent me this like sports style top, and then the bottom are, wow. They look tiny, but they're one size, so they're apparently really stretchy. And then the second one, it's just like this purple striped one, and the top is a bandeau. I think that is so cute, but I'm so excited to wear these this summer. Okay, next up I want to do this package because it's from Glossier. This is adorable. A little newspaper action with a crossword. I will probably never fill that out, but... And this girl's gorgeous. Like, tell me why I would actually hang this in my new room. Inside this package is this little plate. It's a clock. What's this? Oh, this is definitely a travel size mirror. It's a little mini computer. This is like the stuff I would use for like my American Girl dolls back in the day. This just gave me a throwback. And then in here, whoa, we got a espresso balm.com, a Thai. I don't know if they think I got some boyfriend or something, but we got a espressobomb.com. Oh wait, are they like trying to give like tea time? And this girl's gorgeous, like something I would actually, because I just realized there's a teacup too. The new house, we're gonna have like a coffee bar. So my espresso shots are so gonna be going in this. And lastly, we have a lip liner in the shade Buff. Next is from Not Your Mother's. They stocked me up again. We have All Eyes on Me wax stick, Beach Babe sea salt spray, All Eyes on Me styling cream, and then Plump for Joy mousse. This one's from Supergoop, which is just in time for summer. Thank you. Wait guys, this is so freaking cute. Okay, first off, they sent their glow screen in the shade Sunrise. This is SPF 40. And then we have their Unseen screen, which is SPF 50. And then their Everyday Lotion, which I think is just full body, which is SPF 50. Heck yeah. Gotta wear sunscreen, girl. The last box I'm gonna open for right now is from Scuffers. And I freaking love Scuffers. I got put onto it by my ex-boyfriend, and I hate to admit that. But I started like just purchasing Scuffers on my own. And then Scuffers is now sending me stuff. So I know he is kicking rocks over there, mad that he isn't getting free Scuffers. Shout out to him. Probably, Ava, please don't put that in the video. I can't be giving him an ego boost. Anyway, let's open this package. First up, I'm literally gonna pin this onto my shirt. Literally, look at this. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but it is like embroidered Scuffers on the front, and then the back, it just says Scuffers right here. Now I think you can see it a little better, but it is so freaking cute. I got it in a size large. Okay, this is a t-shirt. Don't own any Scuffers t-shirts, so I was really excited about it. It's really wide, but I think it's gonna be really flattering on, and then I can like tuck it into my bra or something with some jeans. I love it. I don't know, something about Scuffers just makes me feel so cool when I wear it. I also love that Scuffers is unisex. I think it's so unique. Here's the next thing. This is a zip up. You know me, you know I love a good zip up. This is so, I think I'm gonna need to wear this today, tomorrow, and every day. Scuffers Garden. Yeah, I think this is a yes. And just the way Scuffers hoodies fit. Lastly, I got this purple t-shirt and it has pink writing on it. Super cool, super fun, and I just love purple right now. I don't know why the angle's so low right now, but yeah guys, that is my haul, and I think I'm gonna go hang out with my friend Ellie tonight. She just got home from college and I missed her so much. I don't know what we're gonna do, but let's go hang out with her. Come on.
Basically, we got bribed into jumping in the pool. It's like freezing, but we got some good money, so it's worth it.
What the freak is happening right now? It's 1 in the morning.